ko is manufacturing in the countryside. Hindi factory dito na manufacturing of agricultural products. Sila yung nag-una-una dyan. Tapos ngayon, ay mag-counter rally ako ngayon. Kung kaya ko magawin niyang mag-usap po na kami. They're talking somewhere. I don't know. Basta makaharap ako ng media, pinapawisan ako. Tanaw pa sana. Mabuti na lang, mabgwapa ito si ano. Look, I will do everything to avoid the Filipino killing song. Everything. Wag lang yang mga extremist. Mga extremist lang no deal. But for the MIMN, no, we are talking. I just finished yung ano. Sabi ko, mag-usap muna tayo. Yung give me something to start on. Yung so, si Spa dito, Sir sundalo ko, puro patay. At yung sundalo na binaril ng NPA 73 times, 73 wounds. Yun ang hindi ko talaga nagustuhan. How can you do that to a Filipino? Alam mo, that indicates hatred. Pagka ganon sila, you're full of hate, then we cannot talk about peace. Mayroong sa loob mo may hate ka. O how can it be possible na mag-usap tayo na gano'n sa puso mo? O isang bala lang, magkalaban tayo, that's a fundamental issue. Self-preservation. Pero, bakbaka mo ng 73 wounds ang sundalo, kaya ako nagalit. Sige. Sige, meron pa tayo. Hanggang alas 4 tayo. Kakalamat ha. Uwi kayo dyan. No, you can ask any policeman. Kung sabi ko, never yung nakatalikod, that's murder. Pag sinabi ko, war. I am declaring war against the drug people. I'm declaring war against those who would destroy the youth of the land. I said, I will kill you. That's my own mouth. Hindi yan state sponsored. Talagang galit ako, bakit huwag ganunin yung Pilipino? Just supposing, kay Santiago was 3 million. Mine is, I have reached last December yung million mark. So, tanungin ko sila ngayon. Lagay mo lang baski effort na buang na. 1 million crazy Filipinos whose brains can no longer work because Shabu shrinks the brain of a person. Ilan? 3,000, 7,000? Sagutin mo kung ito, mabuti pa yung namatay na. Ito mga buang na walang silbi, and it has created chaos throughout the country. It starts with a family dysfunction. Maghiwalay talaga ang asawa. Marami yan. Napabayaan na ang anak at 200 north of Shabu. Times di linggo, isang buwan, that's about 6,000 a month. Times it sa 3 million, lagong na yung akin. That's 18 billion a month. You times it by the number of natama sa 3 million. That's 216 billion a year. Sino hindi? Talagang sabi mo, sa amin yung madray dito. Idaro ko yung ulo niya dyan sa poste. Sino managot nito ngayon? Nakita ninyo ganun kakapal. That's 6,000 policemen. 40% of the itong barangay captain. And mayroong mga municipal mayors almost like 3,000. Sinong managot nito? Human rights. Umunta ka nga dito. Pinapasagot mo ako, I never denied that I ordered the operation. I declared war. Gera yan. Bakit yun? It's illegitimate. Bakit? Masama ba sabihin, papatay ako ng tao para sa bayan ko? Tell me, is there a crime? It's a warning actually to stop. So you guys, pati simbahan, you can get a list from the police. At mayroon dyan, ituturo sa ang barangay at ilan at may pangalan, puntahan ninyo, beg or plead to him to stop or drop the shabu. Ikotin nila yung mga pares niya, pati yung human rights. Pag binitawan ninyo ang shabu, tonight, tomorrow, I can assure you, no more killings connected with drugs. But for as long as you continue to destroy my country, I will kill you. I have never denied giving the orders. I take full responsibility, legal or otherwise, for that order. And those policemen and military officers or military men who follow my order, sinabi ko time and again, arrest them, go out and hunt for them. Putang, police tayo, military, ano trabaho natin? How can we protect and preserve this country? Go out and hunt for them. Arestuhin ninyo. Total, pag trafficking yan, no bail naman yan, hindi kulong. Hindi naman kailangan patay, no bail yan. Di para patay na rin. Sabi ko, but if they resist with violence, you place in danger the life of a police and you have no right to do that. In the first place, you are breaking the law. In the second, you are placing in jeopardy the life of a law officer. No, not allow it. But I take for responsibility. Lahat yung namatay sa enkwentro, sagot ko yun. Ako ang magpakulong doon. Klaro yan. Huwag mo akong bintangan yan kung sino-sino pinatay dyan na akin yun. I answer for my deeds, for misdeeds if you may. Bakit ko talikuran yan? Hiningi ko yan eh. Mahirap ang trabaho. I was the one who solved it. So presidente ako ngayon. The fight against the drug people will continue to the very last day of my term. That would be 6 years. Another killing for the night, I don't mind. So why don't you just go around, take pictures or motion cameras para makita ninyo. Sinabi ko, ang tao, kita mo yung sa South America, lahat may armas, lalaban talaga yan. Bye-bye. Saan ka mag-uwi? Kailan gusto ninyo?
President Duterte in Camp Evangelistas